Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your previous session in Microsoft Edge. And also, I'm going to show you a feature that you have to tick on, okay? So that you can make this process automatic the next time you close your Microsoft Edge. I believe you're like me, you restarted, and when you started your Microsoft Edge, it didn't bring the previous session tabs, okay? Now, if you don't have this option switched on, let me actually first discuss how you come to this section, okay? Because you have to tick on this so that this process is automatic. The next time you restart your PC, the next time you close your Outlook, okay? So you go to these three dots on the top right, you go to settings. When you go to settings, go to start, home, and new tab page. Okay, this section. When you click here, you click on open tabs from the previous section. So this part has to be active so that when you close your Microsoft Edge, always your previous sessions will come back. Now, let me assume you are like me, who didn't know this, okay, until now. So in your case, if you lose your your charts, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three dots and you're going to go to history. Then you're going to click on all the history one by one to bring them back. That is the only way for you. You're going to bring all these sessions back to your Outlook. Okay, unfortunately it's manual, but that is the only way you can do it. Okay, so make sure today you go and activate this section for open tabs from the previous session so that you don't have to suffer going to the history and bringing back all the tabs that were open. Okay, if you're in case you are interested in videos like this that tell you simple stuff every day we need to know, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.